That's amazing! Torch, silly dog! Yeehaw! Woohoo! I'm so happy! Haha! I have an idea. This way, guys! Something's wrong here. What's the big idea? That's not fair. Ready for some action, Torch? We've got some work to do.
Hello, Team Toolbox. There is an emergency situation with Demolizard. He was exploring in the forest and got his head stuck in a barrel. Now he can't see where he's going and is causing trouble everywhere he goes. He was last seen heading toward the giant beam. Demolizard needs your help, right away.
Anima watch, check. Anima tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way! Let's hurry up! Yeah! Let's go! Team Toolbox on the way! Come on! Amazing! A new AnimaCar! I'm not sure about this one. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Torch? Whoa! This should work. It's dangerous up here. Oh no, it's stuck! No way! Let's try a new trick. Maybe not so useful after all. Yuck! Ooh. Whoa! Whoa! Ouchie! Yeah! Whoa! I'm fine.
It might be time to ask one of the other AnimaCars for some help.
Oh.
You'll need someone strong, like Billdozer.
Anima watch activated. AnimaCars, go! No time to think, let's go! Don't worry, we're coming. Whoa! Huh? Whoa! Whoa! It could get hurt! Come on, let's go! George, careful! Whoa! Let's get out of here! Whew, that was close. Good job! I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait! Woohoo! Yeehaw! Why isn't that working? George, silly dog! Team Toolbox never fails! Hey, my friend! Hey! Hey, where's Torch? Torch? Good boy! Huh? Torch, silly dog! Phew! Good boy. Come on, George. We've got work to do.
Team Toolbox, I see that you're having fun preparing for New Year's Eve, but one of your friends is in trouble. Ceda Steel was in the middle of his daily diving practice when all of a sudden a big wave pushed him on the shore. We all know that Ceda Steel loves to dive near the beach, but today he got carried away and forgot how strong the ocean current is. The sun is too hot and he can't get back into the ocean by himself. He needs your help, Team Toolbox.
Anima watch, check. Anima tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Yeah, let's go! Look, George, we're close. Oh no, it's stuck. Whoa! Torch, do you smell something? Ugh. Ha ha! Toolbox. Hey, my friend. Don't worry, we'll take care of you. Nothing can't be solved with the Anima tool. Let's have a look. Skippy-doo! Let's go! Ew! We can't fix that on our own. We need help. What's the big idea? Use Ceda torch. Teamwork forever. Time to use Anima Watch. Anima Watch activated. AnimaCars, go! Our friend to help us. Don't worry, big guy. We'll get you out of here. Ready, buddy? Use your strength. Go, go, go! Let's go fix together. Everything is going to be all right. We're gonna do great! Team Toolbox never fails! Yee-haw! Faster! Great! Chihuahua! Good boy! Jonny and Torch, fixing together, friends forever! Ready, buddy? I am so excited! Maybe not so useful after all. Huh? Looks like it's happening here. Huh? Ready for some action, Torch? No time to think, let's go! We've got some work to do.
Hello, Team Toolbox. There is an emergency at Martle Rock. Dump Trucks was breaking some rocks when he got into trouble. He drove onto quicksand, but is really heavy and sinking fast. If you don't do something soon, he will be sucked into the quicksand. We need you to go find him and think of a way to get him out, and fast.
Check. Anima tool, check. Ready for some action, Torch? Help's on the way. Let's hurry up. Let's land here, Torch. What happened here? Whoa. Yeah. With my tools and my mustache, nothing's impossible. Right, Torch? This should work. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh. I'm stuck in here! We might need some extra help on this one. Let's call a friend. Anima Watch activated. AnimaPod, go! Always ask for help when you're in need. Use your strength. We need to find another way to solve the problem. You can do it! this should work. Great job! Thanks, buddy. It's playtime! What an adventure today! Don't you think, Torch? Whoa! Torch! Silly! Now that's fun! Fixing together, friends forever!
Team Toolbox to the rescue. Subscribe.
Hey!